Hi all, today we will talk about World Environment Day. It is organized by United Nations Environment Programme annually on 5th June every year, which encourages worldwide awareness and action for the protection of environment. It was first held in 1974. At that time the theme was Only One Earth, and now in 2020 the theme for the World Environment Day is Time for Nature, with a focus on its role in providing the essential infrastructure that supports life on Earth and human development. To save environment, AV InBev have four sustainability goals for 2025. The first one is a smart agriculture. That is 100% of our farmers are skilled, connected and financially empowered. The second one is water stewardship. 100% of our communities in high stress areas have measurably improved water availability and quality. And the third one is circular packaging, in which 100% of our products will be in packaging that is returnable or made from the majority recycled content. And the fourth one is climate action. The 100% of our purchased energy comes from renewable sources and 25% reduction of carbon emission across our value chain. So apart from plant, I will tell what I used to do at my home to save environment. Actually, I have planted and nurturing a small garden at home, which provides greenery in house and along with environment protection. So I will tell the technical names and brief discussion about the each plant of my garden. So outside my home there is a big tree, and on the right side there is Polyalthia longifolia, commonly known as Ashok tree. It is a lofty evergreen tree commonly planted due to its effectiveness in alleviating noise pollution, and its leaves used for ornamental decorations during festivals. And inside my house there is Yucca zizantia on the right, and in the left you can see the pothos plant. So Yucca zizantia, it's evergreen shrub. Species can be grown into a variety of soils and is drought tolerant. These plants are more adaptable to environment changes. And on the left you can see the pothos plant. This is more commonly known as money plant, considered by many to be a great way to get started caring for household plants because its care is easy and undemanding. This lovely plant is an easy way to add some green in your home, but it is having some disadvantages also. While pothos plant are an easy to care, but you need to aware that they are poisonous, though rarely to fatal. The plant can use irritation and vomiting if ingested due to the fact that it contains the calcium oxalates and insoluble graphites. And the next one in the middle you can see Zephyranthus, commonly known as fairly lily. The greenhouse grown plant that can bloom freely. It's used for decorative purposes. And then on the right, you can see the Portalucaria afra. It is also known as elephant bush, is native to South Africa, served as food for elephants and other wildlife in their native habitat. And the next one on the right, you can see Araucaria heterophylla. Its vernacular name is Norfolk Island pine. A species widely planted as an ornamental tree for its exotic and pleasing appearances. It has broad climatic adaptability. And now below stairs on the right you can see Bucarnia recurvata. It's also known as ponytail palm. It's popular in Europe and planted worldwide as an ornamental plant. Evergreen perennial growing plant noticeably expanded for storing water. So it's all about my garden. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself and environment as well. Happy World Environment Day.